Hello, I'm Liviu Bolan, and today I will speak about limiting the users who can connect through SSH. As you can see here, on my left side I'm having the instructions that I will use, and on my right side I have a console, a terminal on my local operating system, and I will use to connect to my VirtualBox machine with a Ubuntu server installed and SSH running. So type SSH user at host and hit enter. Now I will edit the SSHD config file located in etc ssh sshd config with user rights, with sudo rights. At the bottom of the file I will use the allow users option, and here I will have to specify the users who are able to connect using SSH to my virtual machine. Separate the users with a space. As you can see now on a new tab, if I use SSH Liviu at http://liviubolan.com, I am able to connect to my machine using SSH. But if I specify the users who can connect, and here I will enter 2 at the end of each user, restart the SSH service. Now if I want to connect to my machine again, even if I specify the right password, the permission is denied. Why? Because the only users who can connect to my machine are these ones, Liviu Bolan 2 and Liviu. If I remove 2 from Liviu and restart the service again, I am able to connect to my machine. So if you want to limit the access to your SSH to a small amount of users, you can use the allow users command. This is very useful if you know the users who will connect to your machine, and if you are working on a server with a small amount of users. You can allow groups of users, or if you remove or comment this option, every user who have an account on this web server on this machine and is knowing the password or has a key, will be able to connect to this machine. I recommend using the allow users option if you have a small amount of users and if you want to increase the security on your machine related to who will access the content of your machine. If you want to learn more about SSH, about configuration on the client side and also on the server side, you can visit my website liviubolan.com and also check out my tutorials on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.